guess who didn't get BTS tickets or failed to? Yeah, I tried all the way out here in Hawaii. Internet not the best, so I was like, I don't know if I'll get some, but I'm gonna try to still. I'm not gonna give up yet. I'm gonna try and still get like maybe some resales, and it's all good. I got to see BTS back then too, so I'm good. But I do want to see them. If you are reselling, let me know. Your boy's still in Hawaii visiting his family, of course. Picked up a new book. I've been reading Dungeon Crawler Carl. Heard good things about it. I read like the first part. I'm already hooked. And see the title down below. We're gonna be watching Enhypen Knife. Hope you guys have been enjoying the content I've been uploading. I uploaded for EXO. Now we're gonna check out Enhypen. I know there's A-Pink, Alpha Drive 1, and a lot more. And now XG's coming out too. Please be patient with me. I'm not in my current content creating area back at home in LA, so I am limited. But without further ado, let's check out Enhypen Knife in 3, 2, 1. Damn! Breaking news.
Breaking news. 7 vampires under a red notice for breaking a major taboo have been spotted moving openly through the city.
Good looking though.
Despite repeated efforts by the VPU, the group continues to stay one step ahead. Okay. Let's take a look at the footage.
I could have done that role. Y'all should have hide. What are you doing with that knife?
It's a knife.
Oh. Wait, there's so much happening. Okay. Hey. Okay, it's a knife. Oh, the POV of a knife being thrown. Oh. Okay, slow mo. Oh, ow. Satellite. Oh. That kick though. Wait, hold up. You see that? Bah. What are these like angles? Where are they going? Oh damn! Is that a dead body in the middle of the wall? Damn. Okay. Hey. Oh, like Clyde and Bonnie making love. That hair though, all slicked back. The eye is going crazy. Oh, I heard there was a anime as well, right? I might have to check that on Patreon. Where can I watch it to? Ooh, damn, he is serving looks. Hold on, sorry. Okay. Hey. Bro, they just Nikki, bro. Damn. I don't know, something about the hair being up on the forehead is hit different, no? All white and everything. It's a knife. That look back go crazy. That look back. Well, hold up. I wanted to comment on something. Wasn't that, did they use a meme? I swear I heard that meme, or like, I don't know if it's a meme or a video I saw a long time ago. Did they sample that?
Despite repeated efforts by the VP
the
one
kid?
Step ahead. Let's take a look at the footage.
First of all, this is sus right here. What's behind your back? It's a knife, right?
Footage.
That part, I swear I seen a video. I think I might be wrong. Maybe Editor Dre will find the video. I don't know.
Let me see what you have.
No! Anyway. Wait, okay, so there's a kid running. Okay, isn't this Wait, maybe I'm tripping. He's covering the eyes of the kid that had the knife or play knife. Isn't this like? Isn't he wearing like the same? Oh, somebody's right here. Isn't he wearing the same outfit as not? Is it Freddy Krueger or is it Chucky? Oh. Nikki, with your visuals, my God. That like intro is crazy. The POV shots of this knife is crazy. It's like kind of like almost like stop motion a little bit, or just sped up. This right here. This right here. He threw that? How the hell he throw that? Kick it back. It's a windshield wiper. Or not a windshield, like it's cleaner, right? And then there's someone inside the walls, right? Okay. Yo, we just dancing, huh? We just dancing. It's a knife. Nah, he look good, bro. With that hair. Put the comments down below what you guys think of Enhypen Snipe. I actually want to know what you guys think. Comment down below. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you enjoy this reaction. If you want more reactions, that's the way to let me know if you want more. I know I'm a little bit delayed. Again, I am here with family, enjoying. I haven't seen my family like in a minute, so I'm just spending time with them. And yeah, just good vibes. I am still putting out content, so don't worry. To follow the Patreon. They do have an anime, right? From what I'm told, or is it a webtoon? I'm not sure. Let me know. Let me know. And should I watch and react to it on Patreon? Yes, be sure to check out my Patreon. I do have things I post there for free. There's also a subscription, $1, to access more longer content like reacting to movies, K-pop Demon Hunter, Squid Game, Physical Asia. I reacted over there. Be sure to check it out and link in the description down below. Yeah, no luck on those BTS tickets. I wasn't able to even see twice. Oh my God. It's okay. It's okay. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Come to Hawaii. Why don't they come to Hawaii? Hope you have a great rest of your day or night. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys until next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.